welcome to another session of Retail Graph. Today we will be discussing about receipts. Receipts are the acknowledgement of the payments that we receive for a sales invoice which is prepared on credit. The customer, when purchases any product or services or item on credit basis and pays later, we offer him a receipt in acknowledgement to that payment. So we click on start and we go to receipts. In receipts we have receipt. We click on receipt and we have this window in front of us. It has options like home, view, review, references, options, reports and master data. In home we have new, save, print, draft, delete, cancel changes, add less, cost center details. So we initiate by clicking on the account. If we wish to add the receipt on any particular account, or we can also select a customer and the account corresponding to the customer will automatically register here. Then this receipt is and the payment is checked by whom? Administrator or any other person related to business. We select that. The narration, any feedback or any note corresponding to the payment received can be entered here, and then the payment mode, whether it is a PDC, that is post-dated check, or it is on cash, so we can enter the mode, or on check, or on card basis. So we select the invoice entry corresponding to this particular customer, any previous invoice we select, so the amount will reflect here. We enter the amount. If it is on cash, we select on cash and we select 16. Rebate is 0, interest is also 0, so we select 16. Here again we enter the received amount 16, rebate is 0, interest is 0, and then we just save to save the receipts. Other options in receipts are like view, to preview, print options and print the receipt. Set layouts like header layout, grid layout, ribbon layout and save layout to save this particular layout and other layouts. In find options we have find, copy to new. In navigations we have previous and next receipts. In browse we have month wise, date wise, entry wise, series wise, current year wise and party wise and last 7 days wise details for the receipts. Similarly in review we have options like batch color, MRP wise details, change bill amount, change tax type, change lot discount, change trade discount, and we have change rate hike, change tax calculation method. Also we have references wherein we have open voucher. In options we have export to Excel, system maintenance, log reports, send SMS, export import data and detail search. We also have reports wherein we have product wise sales, sales transaction, checklist, product wise purchases, purchase transaction, user checklist, then bank reconciliation report, collection report, ledger display, PDC to deposit and receivables. Also we have master data which has customer, vendor, refer by, tax category, billing head and transaction series. Also there are small shortcut options are available to use, like for new we have Alt N, for save we have Alt S, for print we have Alt P, for draft we have Alt R and so on. And as you are familiar, we can always drag and drop and rechange and reposition these tabs as per the requirement. So this is receipt. I hope you have understood it. Thank you so much.